Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In a previous video, got like a couple of videos back, I did open a box and I have these little Husky ones. I got them in a box as an extra. I got a job lot and that guy was good enough to send me all this as an extra. So they're quite good. They have a couple of tires missing, but otherwise they're not too bad. They're all there. So I decided to make a video for all these 6. I'm gonna do it all in once because they are very little, very small. So there's no point making a video just for one by one. I'm gonna open them all and put them in the stripper. Try to fix these pillars here. Both of them, they are broken. Screen is missing on this one. I'm not even sure if he was having, but I think he did, if I remember good. I have one Ford Corsair before from Lesney, and he did have a screen, so I have to check. But yeah, I'll try to put some plastic on it and replicate some screen. So yeah, this on screen is here, looks like dirty, over painted here, but it doesn't look like it has a crack in it. Looks like all there. Sorry about that. You know, it's just they look the same, but I'm not so sure because it's the same as Ford Corsair, but I'm not so sure. I think actually, yeah, exactly, yeah, they're number 45, both of them, yeah. So there you go. So it has a screen then. So yeah, I'll try to replicate one here as well. I love this Beetle. I just love all of them. So this one look all together, just tire missing, but otherwise is all here. Even the luggage on the top, it's just painted, screen over painted here on the luggage, but this can be clean and put it all back together, all nice. There you go. We have a very nice Jag here. All, as I said, all their Husky one. Love this model as well. So yeah, we're gonna open in this one. This one looks the same. It has a crack here. Yeah, it is a crack, so that's not gonna come out on polish. But yeah, we're gonna clean it, we're gonna polish it a little bit. So yeah, this Berlinetta Ferrari 250 GT, unfortunately the screen is cracked in the back, in the front is even missing. Not so sure I can replicate something like that, but I'll try. Otherwise I'll try to find something on eBay. I might be lucky if I get, even if I get one, maybe just the screen to be alright, because it's quite nice. I like this model, it's very nice and it's straight. On the top here is bent, if you can see. But yeah, that's an easy fix. This is which concerns me actually, is the screen, if I can do something. So yeah, we're gonna open this one as well. We got this comma. This one I did one before, but unfortunately I didn't have the doors for it. This one comes complete with both of the doors. Unfortunately, the screen here on top is very bad. Scratches and crack and everything. Don't know, we'll see what we're gonna do with this one, but love this one as well. And on the other one, which I had it and I did it before, I didn't have the driver. This one has even the driver. So yeah, I'll come back to you guys later once I put them in the stripper and start to work on them. I'll come back to you guys. Oh yeah, there you go. Just now I saw it. He's missing a part of it. So I tried to fix this one as well. Don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Nah, we're gonna manage to do this one. Yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Hello and welcome back to a new video. This is about the 6 Husky cars. If you remember in the previous videos, I did present them all. So this is what we came out. This is the final product. A little bit of details on them. On some of them I tried to keep the original colors. So this is what we came out with. The luggage and everything, all there, nice and clean, nice and shiny. We fixed the screen on top. Obviously I didn't buy another one, I keep the old one. I just cut the top, the one which was cracked and damaged, and I use plastic from a bottle, water bottle. But yeah, it's all there. Mr. Driver is inside. Doors are working, sliding door, both of them. Fix the broken pillars, the missing one as well. I didn't have the more brighter yellow. This is a AA yellow, so yeah, it's a bit darker, but it's still yellow. So yeah, we did the Jag as well. I have checked, I googled it, and I see they do have this metallic blue color. They have more colors, but yeah, I choose this one because I like this color. It's not too bad. So this is what we came out with, the Jag as well, all there. I did keep the original windows, just clean them a little bit. But yeah, the paint, I think it looks alright. Little bit of details on it. That's that. That's the Ferrari, if you remember it, with the broken screen. Again, I used the plastic bottle, just cut it, shape it, did it with the hot gun in the back as well. You know, this is don't know, There you go, this is a part of it from the back one. So yeah, the front one, it was I think it's all pieces, I just throw it away. So yeah, I'm using just normal plastic. You know, it's easy to shape with the heat gun. You can shape it how you, almost how you like it and how you want it. But yeah, I think it came out alright, not too bad. I did try to not to chrome this one, to like keep these lines, but unfortunately I drop it off and I chip it a little bit up here. But yeah, it's still better than it was. It looks better than it was. Now we have wheels, we have tires on it, we have a little bit of details, we got full screens. The side ones, they are the original ones. I don't know if you can see. So I keep the side ones, I change just the front and the back. So yeah, that's the Ferrari. This one as well, you remember it was without window. Same plastic. There you go, little bit of details, not much on this one, not much details on them. Got two of them. This one is with the original screen on it. I tried to clean it a little bit, but this is the best I could take from it. But yeah, is that painted. So yeah guys, this is everything what we have. The Husky series finished. The next one is gonna be this one, this Audi Quattro. But with this one I'm gonna come in the next video guys, so we will talk about it in the next video. It's pretty much all there, just missing the two lights down here. Otherwise looks like it's all there. We got engine inside here. So yeah, but I will show you this one in the next video guys. So yeah, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't subscribe by now. More videos will come. Hope you will enjoy them. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye for now.